Hello, my dear friends. Have you ever taken time to go beyond the rut of this physical world, beyond your jobs, your relationships, your family, your friends? Have you ever taken time to explore yourself from deep within? Who you truly are from deep, deep within. Of course, we can't be just limited to our physical body and physical senses. Let me shed some light on this topic today. All the religions, all the teachers from all religions, they have taught us consistently that our existence extends beyond this physical vessel which we called the body. We are all created in the likeness and the image of the one creator or the universal source energy, which is the source of all creation. In fact, we are the loving light of the one creator, the universal source energy, which has created this entire universe and many other universes. The Creator has expressed Himself through us. It is His desire to experience this beautiful world and this varied creation of His through our eyes, through our senses, in this physical dimension. In actuality, each and every one of us have many levels and many dimensions to experience, Earth being one of them. Now, some of these dimensions we have already experienced in our numerous past incarnations, which of course we do not remember. And there are many, many more incarnations which are still to occur in future. We are one with the Creator, though we may not remember it, like majority of our brethren. The experience on earth is an experience of incarnating in one of the lower dimensions. In order to have a complete and a wholesome experience of this incarnation, we must live our life fully and completely by focusing only on the present. Enjoy the present with all our senses to get a complete, joyous experience of this incarnation. Remembering that we are and always will be the part of our one Creator. Let's be thankful, let's express gratitude, and spread love to this entire creation as just like us, everyone and everything around us. Things that we can sense with our physical senses, and that which we cannot sense with our physical senses. Each of these things, each of these beings, they are also the expression of the same one Creator. Quantum science proves that everything is connected. So if we are connected with the one Creator, what other proof do we need that the entire existence comes from one single source? So in order to live your life fully in this incarnation on earth, connect, love, and be loved. So you may be wondering, if I am the loving light of the one Creator, if I am part of the one Creator, Why do I not remember? I'll be delving deeper into this topic in the next video. So stay with me. Join me in the next video with